without hitting anything right now? Marty, this is going to be your job. I don't know what you're talking about. So
Bro, look,
this is going to be you. I'm not going to do this anymore.
This is
going to be you. So you better get home and start practicing.
We have a huge runway over here.
Yeah, this is a drone.
You
don't need a runway.
You don't need no damn runway, bro.
Yeah,
well, that's true.
Taking you off like that, like a plane. Are you? No, that's true. So what you need to do is this weekend take these home and play with it in open space. Because I'm not going to do the drone anymore. That's your job. I'm done with it. I just wanted to show you how it works.
That's it. I'm the new pilot.
Yeah. You gotta get your license, bro.
No, you don't have to get your license. But this one's already FAA registered, so I got to register this one.
Oh, so you have to register?
Yeah, $5 for 3 years.
Wow.
They want to know who's flying them. In case you smash it into the White House or something.
You register it under your name. Okay.
No, I can register this one on yours now. Because I registered this one as mine.
So now you registered this one.
Why my name? Because you're flying it.
But we're not going to use that one anymore, right?
Yeah, but still. We might, I don't know. I haven't given it back yet. I might keep it.
Well, we're not going to use it. So take it out of the registration. Put the new one.
You have to add another one. You can't just take it out of the registration.
Absolutely.
Why not?
Under your name.
Why my name? I'm not flying it.
But just in case I mess up.
That's what I'm saying. He wants to put it all on me. Did you see that? He's trying to get out of it.
No liability, right?
Yeah.
No liability.
No, you're going to have all the liability. Because your controls are going to be in your hands.
That's that liability Marty talking about. See that? Hey, what is it that you do at the one job or whatever is it that you have?
I do marketing, so I basically do everything. I do a lot of web designing, customizing. I basically do everything on there. I do the flyers. I get a hold of all the office managers, how to market, the Google ads.
You want to talk to Nick? We're all right. We're all right here.
What? You got me on speaker?
You got me on speaker? Hold on.
Hey, what are you up to?
Hi, Nick. Nothing much here at home.
So you want to come back and work?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to Shays tonight and let me work it out, and then let's see what we're going to do, right?
Just let me know. I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah.
Honestly.
It might be another week or so because we're just trying to get everything aligned over here for training and stuff. So but I'll get back to you by tomorrow night.
Okay, that will work.
All right. Sounds good.
Thank you, Nick.
All right. Stay out of trouble.
You too.
All right. Bye. So we washed the truck, the Jeep. So the next step is what we're going to do. We're going to take the lights. We're going to take the wheel off with the mount. We'll probably take the fenders off. door handles, mirrors, the antenna, the front bumper, that's all coming off, the grille, and probably the headlights. We're going to see how much room we have once we take all that stuff off. It back up right to the clear coat, and then after that we'll have it stripped and ready for the guy to come over tomorrow to teach us how to wrap it. So we decided to go with the Jeep because it's got more flat panels, not too many curves on the vehicle, so it'll be easier to wrap and it'll be a good vehicle to start with to learn. We're going to do this in matte black, so you're going to see how it looks today, and in a few days time we'll have it all wrapped in matte black. This is stage one on this total customization on this vehicle. Down the road we'll be changing the tires, lifting the Jeep as well. Probably changing all the tail lights and the headlights out to LED. Bigger tires that are going to go on, so it's going to need a different mount on the back. And then we'll see if he wants to keep the same fenders or if he doesn't down the road. Headlights are going to change to LED. These turning signals will change to LED. We'll put a winch on the front with a metal bumper. LED fog lights as well. That will change. And we'll see what other little pieces here and there that he wants to do. But overall, I think this is a good car to start with. A lot of flat panels as we talked about, so it should be easier to lay. And then we'll go from going.
What up, guys? My name is Darius Payne, and I'm a rapping.
$1 million car, and then it looks shitty once you open the door.
Opens it up and it's a whole different color.
Yeah.
But I should be there when Jeff starts training.
And then you can do the window separately because it's got that rubber trim. Just go in here, a lot easier.
He contacted me about helping his guys get a little bit more up to par with vehicle wrap installations for his new company, Jekyll and Hydes.